Let me teach you how to achieve this quick style using rubber band. My name is Deck Beauty. Focus your eye as we learn this fast and easy head wrap. You use rubber band, that is rubber band. Make sure you use the color that is closer to the fabric. This fabric is called ashoke. So focus your eye, please. So the measurement of this fabric, you measure it 30 70, then you just create this front style. So by the time you create it, you see the way I'm just using the rubber band. Make sure it's very tight. You can take it over again and again till you observe it's very tight. Okay, the shorter side is the 30, the longer part is the 70. See the way we are going to achieve it now. So place it on your head. The side you want the style to be, the side. So just place it and make sure you do that edge, fold it inside. Then let's work on the other side the same way. Fold it inside, place it. Now from the beginning, make sure you cover your ear. Then once you pick them up, I want you to focus your eye in this part, the shorter part, which is the 30. You take it around the 70 like once or twice to make the head wrap very firm. You see the way I take the shorter part, you drag it, make sure it's very firm. So this 30, we are taking it around the 70. See the way I take it around. So at this juncture, you will now open the 70. See the way I open it. You tucking the 30 inside. Use it to cover. Just put the 30 inside, then you start your twisting. This style is very easy, and this style is good for all age group. And you can use it when you are going to church, when you are going to event. You want to do unique style, like it's different from all those regular styles. It's very easy. So now we are twisting the leftover, the 70. Maybe if your material is more longer, it's still fine. So continue your twisting. See the way I'm going to take it around. Don't take it to the front of this thing we create. Take it to the back and bring it to the front. See, once you twist, take it from the back, then bring it to the front. Now you will now get your pin ready. Use up to 2 to 3 pins to secure it there. But if you have longer length, sometimes if I have longer length, I don't use pin. I just tucking it under this the stick I twist already. But because this one is short, so you use pin. Now this is it. Just open it. See the way I style it. Open it. It's very easy. 3 minutes, you are done with this style, and you look so classic, unique with your natural. You can carry natural makeup, simple makeup, heavy makeup with this style. And this style is good for all age group. In case you don't like this style, I have more than 1,000 videos with different style on my YouTube channel, Deck Beauty, and my page. So go and check my page and my YouTube. You will see different styles there. We teach how to do makeup as well. Follow me on my Instagram, book me, all my work are there. My Instagram name is Deck Beauty. I do makeup, I do gele, I do traditional bridal hair, okuku. I'm available to travel all over the world. That is my number. Call me and book me. I will come and give it to you the way you want it. Yes, so Happy New Year once again. This year 2024, it shall be well with us. We have seen the beginning, we will see the end in Jesus' name. Yes, these are all my service. I want you to screenshot this part. This part, screenshot it. These are all everything I do. We sell makeup product, we sell oil, perfume as well. So follow me on all my social media handle. Then my number is there. See you on my next video. Don't forget to drop your comment, like, share to your friends and family. See you on my next video. Bye bye.